How's it going, everyone? It's Sam. I am pretty pumped today because we are looking at something that I think could do really well. It's probably the biggest meme coin that we've looked at in a while. It's a couple hundred million right now, but it's got backing from Binance and Floki. It has a massive audience, probably the biggest audience that's outside of crypto that we've ever seen. And this is coming at a really interesting time where Bitcoin dominance is moving up, but eventually it will flip and some altcoins like this. And I've seen so many meme coins that have done well. A big altcoin or big meme coin like this could do quite well. So if you don't mind, hit subscribe, turn on the bell notification underneath the video so you can see future videos just like this. Today we're talking about Simon's Cat, which is a multi-$100 million market cap already. I hadn't heard about this being from the US, but this is a big series. Like, this is Simon's Cat is a animated series in the UK, and they have 6.3 million subscribers over on YouTube. They have millions of millions of followers on Instagram, 5 million. They have 3.5 million TikTok followers, 9.9 million Facebook fans. They have 450,000 over on Twitter, and they are launching a coin. Now, this has really good reviews on TV. It seems like it's a staple, right? It's really cool. This is the founder. Let me play this for you, talking about the token, and we'll get over to how this ties into Bitcoin dominance and stuff in a second. But let me play this for you.
Wow, what an incredible journey this has been. I'm Simon Tofield, the creator of Simon's Cat. You've shown so much love for my cute, mischievous little furball, but I have to admit I'm a bit of a newbie when it comes to this crypto space. I'm absolutely blown away by the community's excitement. I have to say a huge thank you to Floki and TokenFi for backing this project. Also, a massive thank you to Binance for helping spread the word about Cat to their users with their airdrop. This incredible launch wouldn't have been possible without all of you coming together. Thank you so much for your support. This is only the beginning, and we're working on integrating Cat into the Simon's Cat ecosystem. We're just getting started. Let's make this a perfect journey together.
Okay, pretty cool. This is a partner of the channel too, to be clear. So I'll leave links to them underneath the video. It is a sponsored video. Now, if you want to buy the crypto that we're talking about here today, they just got listed on Blowfin, and I'll leave a link to that underneath the video where you can start buying it if you're interested. You can see, though, they've got huge connections, right? Like BNB, Binance, announced the winner of the second part of their Meme Heroes program, Simon's Cat Meme. This project has been allocated $50K as part of our commitment to the support of the Memecoin ecosystem. Find more info below. And then here, Floki. Update. The Cat airdrop to Floki holders is complete. We're pleased to announce the successful completion of the Simon's Cat airdrop distribution to eligible Floki holders. This is a larger cryptocurrency, but still not in the top 100. Now, the cool thing is, based on where Simon's Cat is, it's only a $300 million market cap right now, and it was 230 actually when I started recording this, so it has jumped a bit, but it's still small compared to some other major crypto. Going to Dogecoin's price would be a crazy feat, right? It would be awesome. It would be very difficult because, I mean, no altcoin is bigger than, or no meme coin is bigger than Dogecoin right now. But keep in mind, we're not at the peak of the bull market either. Dogecoin was 5x higher than this last cycle. So to think that Dogecoin might go up, 5 or 10x more, and then other alts move up as well. We're talking about just Simon's Cat getting to where Dogecoin is right now. That would be a nice 70x, something like that. A 70x, I'd take that. And then moving up to, let's say, Shiba Inu's price. That'd be a nice 30x. All right. Still, I mean, that's where Shiba Inu is now, not the peak of the market. So if we keep on scrolling down, Pepe, it would be about a 15x or so. Okay. And then keep on scrolling down. Something like Dog with Hat would be a 7x from here. Dog with Hat is barely in the top 50. It hasn't even had good price action recently. And this is still not the peak of the bull. It was up 69% earlier. 69, or it's down 69%. So it was basically triple the price. So for Simon's Cat to get to where Dog with Hat was at one point, it would go up about 21x or so to where Dog with Hat peaked out. So the fact is, when you compare Simon's Cat to maybe some of the top cryptocurrencies that are in memes and think about where we're going to be in the top of the cycle, there's still possibly a lot of room to run. They've got a lot of support. They've got a really good brand behind it. We're at an interesting point in Bitcoin dominance too. We just hit a new high. This is pretty awesome because, I mean, we're getting up to the point where even the Bitcoin dominance bulls like Benjamin Cohen have said, maybe around 60%, that's all he needs. He wants to see a 6 handle and then we can fall back down, right? So we're going to get an alt season at some point. Maybe it's not yet. Maybe it's a couple months further into the year. Maybe it's after the Fed starts cutting rates, which is happening really soon. Maybe by the time you already see this video. But that is going to happen here soon. And then maybe Bitcoin dominance goes down. And that can still be with Bitcoin moving up, to be clear. But I know that there's going to be some kind of alt season at some point because we've just been on an endless tear up. Basically since 2022, the end of 2022. We've just been going up. Of course, we have had little pullbacks, right? Like a couple percent pullback, but then we raced up to a new high. So at some point, Bitcoin dominance will go down. Not saying to even sell Bitcoin at that point necessarily, right? You can still love Bitcoin. It can still go up 2x and Bitcoin dominance can go down because everything else goes up 3x. But that will be a time when a lot of people are looking for newer meme coins, for example, right? Like this, where there's not, there's not some big resistance, right? We're in new territory. We're breaking new highs. People are excited about the meme, are excited about the brand behind it, and then pile into something like this. They started to launch on some larger exchanges, but they still have a lot more to go. They say it's not on tier 1 centralized exchanges yet, but it's on some smaller ones. You can actually scroll down to the bottom here. You can see Gate.io. So a bigger exchange there. KuCoin, bigger exchange, obviously. But Bitmart, Deepcoin, DigiFinex, Mexi, they could definitely get on some bigger ones as time goes on. Also, they are getting listed on OKX in Bybit Perps already. So maybe there's some kind of spot listing coming in the future on those platforms. Be on the lookout for that. They also just got listed on Blowfin. So Blowfin will be coming to, or Simon's Cat will be coming to Blowfin Spot. If you want to trade this, there's a link to Blowfin underneath the video where you can start trading and buying Simon's Cat. But of course, always do your own research. Also, we do know that from the reports that CZ is going to be let out of jail here soon. Could possibly pump the price of BNB, which could also pump up some other meme coins as well. For example, if BNB goes up maybe 10%, maybe some meme coins like Cat go up 20, 40, 50, 80%, 100%, something like that. And obviously the backing from BNB or Binance and Floki, it's huge too, because Floki is a like $1.2 billion market cap right now. So definitely something to pay attention to. Of course, do your own research. Like I said, there is a link underneath the video so that you can go to their socials. I really appreciate you all watching. Let me know your thoughts on meme coins in general. Let me know your thoughts on Cat down below underneath the video. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.